Hi, I'm Kevin, Managing Director of Quantum Controls, and you've landed on our website panelbuilders.co.uk. Quantum Controls has been manufacturing electrical control panels for our customers throughout the UK for over 30 years, and we've now just invested in a brand new factory based at Washington up in the northeast of England. 11,000 square foot, fully bespoke, just to build control panels. The scope of works that we do, we build bespoke panels. So we look at your applications, we look at your specifications, we manufacture and put a proposal to you that we know will work for you. We manufacture to your spec or to a spec that you might have from somebody else. It doesn't matter to us, whatever it is, we can build it for you. If you have an application and you're not quite sure what it is that you need, our engineers are quite happy to come to site and help you specify the panel that you would require. If you've already got that, and you've got an idea or you've got electrical control schematics, great, give them to us and we'll be able to give you a quotation that matches them. We work to ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 18001. We are fully accredited for all three of those ISO certifications and our panels are made in line with those qualities. Before we would even start building a panel, we would issue you with a full schematic set of drawings for you to sign off as the engineer so you know exactly what it is that you're going to get. Once the panel is manufactured, we would then invite you up to our premises and we would carry out a full fat test with you here, going through the drawings, going through line by line to the panel so that whatever the product is you've ordered, you make sure that's what you're getting when you get to site. Once the panel gets to site, that's not the end of it for us. We can come out, we can maintain it every year, and we can give you after-sales product support on everything that goes into that panel. So we like to think that we give you a full turnkey solution for all your panel requirements. We have a full team of design engineers based up here. We've also got a full team of dedicated panel wiremen, fully time-served, fully engineered, building panels day in, day out. So, we hope that you've come to the right page. If you've got an inquiry for us, please send it through. Give us a call, send it via email, or perhaps you could use a live chat facility that's on the website. Whichever method you use, our engineers are waiting to speak to you, and we look forward to your call. Speak soon.